music, rhythm is the combination of long notes, short notes, and silence. Rhythm is the most indispensable element in music. The first rhythm we will look at is the quarter note. This rhythm will last for one beat. The second rhythm is an eighth note. This note plays for half of one beat. Our third and final rhythm for today is a 16th note. This rhythm is played for a quarter of one beat. When each instrument plays the same rhythm in unison, it is bold and united. When there is rhythmic diversity in music, it creates layers, textures, and a sense of motion.